I think half is on my plate.
Richie through again.
Yeah. Could be doing the cupcake method.
I don't know what that is. I mean, I'm just following what it says.
Cupcake method.
What's the cupcake method, Lily?
Cupcake method involves it.
Oh, well, I'm doing the sponge cake method. Did you like that? Oh, okay. Stop eating it.
No.
It melts into like porridge. Carefully remember it's going to be hot.
Yeah.
Into the dish. Who's having chorizo?
Kobe.
No, just Kobe.
Oh, we can all have it. Do you want some, Lois?
Nah.
If I eat one slice of chorizo, it's going to have to do a whole other chorizo ring.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, because you're built like a chorizo ring.
I think she's referring to your belly. Thank you, girl.
I heard it tastes better when you sprinkle it from a height. I heard it tastes better when you sprinkle it from a height. That's going to taste so much better now.
I did at the same height.